If your electric gate remote suddenly stops working, the most common cause is a weak or dead battery. In fact, battery issues account for most remote failures. Start by replacing the battery, even if it still shows some voltage, because older batteries may not deliver enough power during use. Also, check and clean the battery contacts since dirt or corrosion can block proper connection. While inspecting the remote, look for cracked buttons, damage to the casing, or antenna problems that could weaken the signal. Testing the remote closer and farther from the gate can also help determine if the signal strength is the issue or if the remote needs reprogramming. If the remote seems to work but the gate still doesn't respond, the problem may be with the receiver or motor system. Check that the gate control panel has power and inspect fuses or circuit breakers for damage. A faulty or loose antenna can also reduce signal reception. Try operating the gate using the manual wall switch or key control to confirm whether the motor is functioning properly. Nearby devices like Wi-Fi routers or LED lighting can sometimes cause signal interference as well. Regular checks and yearly servicing help prevent most gate system failures.